Introducing the Kinisi Air, a sit harness manufactured in Wales by DMM and designed in collaboration with Treemagineers. The Air is available in size medium only. Notable features of the Air are a low-profile waist for weight savings, packability, and a different fit, a webbing rear restraint point or chainsaw lanyard attachment point, frame buckles on the leg loop webbing, and a double frame buckle on the waist webbing. The double frame buckle can be positioned along the webbing to suit user preference. Other features of the Air: single-piece forward D hardware that is compatible with the zero-eye knotted bridges. The Air comes supplied with 2 rope bridges and an anchor ring, but is also compatible with the single bridge configuration. Side rings and an adjustable floating riser assembly with a slot for attachment of a non-PPE upper assembly. Leg elastics and rear elastics, and also the unique webbing stoppers that allow the user to customize webbing length. In spite of its lower profile, there is still plenty of gear storage options on the waist. Many of the harness components are replaceable. For more information, visit dmmwales.com.